Here we have a very nice jet, looking very lovely, and it's orange and blue and white color scheme. To get this nice little cockpit up here. Very angular, pointy little nose cone there. Do get this very nice landing gear out of here, which does fold down quite nicely. Hidden away. It is a bit, gappy under there, but that's fine. Today we're going to look at set number 42179, Planet Earth and Moon in Orbit. Here we have the front of the box with our model in this very stationary looking photograph. It does have a very nice little starry background in it. Very nice silvery space side logo. Here we have the top of the box with our little Earth there, and the sun, and the Earth again, and a little bit of moon. And some legal information, technic. Here we have the bottom of the box with your lucky numbers and barcodes and reminders of apps and recycling. A bunch of nothing, technic. Here we have the side of the box with our big old sun and Earth and tiny moon. A bunch of nothing, technic. Here we have the silvery side of the box with your language lesson. Small warning about small parts, technic. Here we have the back of the box, showing another glamour shot of our set. Little knob turning and planet spinning. More fancy shots of the gears and more shots of the planets. So yeah, let's go put this thing together. Here's our completed build, which is quite larger and more awkward than you'd probably expect, partially to get all the proper gearing and mechanics in there, and it's also not the prettiest thing to look at, partially because, if they made some fancy base, it would probably cost even more. So yeah, it's not the most fun thing. It's definitely very much a display piece. And then do get all these stickers that you need to put on, and if you mess them up, you kind of ruin the whole thing. And it's currently set to approximately what it would be right now. So since we're end of September, almost October, do get this nice little, I guess, kind of goldy piece to indicate what month we're in, and you also use another one to indicate what phase of the moon we're in as well, which is also more stickers, and which can also very much be screwed up if you didn't do it properly, and then the whole thing would be kind of ruined. So that's fun. Same with most of the gears, because if you do it incorrectly, you're really gonna screw things up. Even with the placement of the Earth, because if you put it on wrong, then everything else is gonna be wrong as well. But you do get a nice little moon. But you do get a nice little Earth. It's fairly accurate for the size. There's a bit of a big gap there between us and Alaska, but it's fine. Same with over here in Europe, and it's pretty close. And look, they even remember that New Zealand exists, so that's good. So yeah, that's about it. It's a really complicated build. It's definitely not for children. It's mostly for adults with a lot of money to waste, or just people who really like the planets, I guess. And it does move the whole thing with this little handle over here, another one of those goldy pieces, don't you know? And you can make it work and go really fast. Go forwards in time, or also backwards in time. just like Superman. So yeah, that's about it. That's pretty much the extent of what it does. It's mostly for technic nerds and planet nerds. So if you like this kind of stuff, it's definitely a set for you. If not, it's probably not a good set for you. So yeah, that's about it. If you like it, you know, then go get it. If not, I'd probably, you know, just, leave it be. So yeah, that's about it. You also get a look at some of the other space sets in the Technic line. You get this big old kind of moon rover and this little buggy. Nice little dropship thing. Good times. Space. Congratulations. You now have the power of the solar system in your hands.